right, example 2. Find the height of the cylinder. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we're going to use the same formula that we've been using. Volume equals the area of the base times the height. The only difference is this time we don't have a height. And this image is just laying on its side, so our height looks like it's the width, but it's the height. They gave us, though, the volume, and they gave us the diameter. So our diameter is 10, so that means that our radius is 5. And so now we are going to sub in to our equation. So we know our volume, but we don't know the area of the base yet. So let's find the area of the base. So this again is going to be area equals pi r squared. So we're going to use 3.14 for pi times our radius squared, so 5 squared. So 3.14 times 25, and that gives us 78.5. So now we're going to plug this in for B. So our volume was 314 equals the area of our base, which is 78.5, times our height, which we don't know yet, so we're just going to leave that as h. This should look familiar to you. We draw our line. So we are multiplying 78.5 times h, so the opposite would be to divide by 78.5 on both sides. These cancel, and that gives us 4. So h equals 4. So whenever we write this answer, it's only in inches because only volume is going to be inches cubed. So our height is 4 inches. So now I want you to try it on your own, and then you will check your answer with mine. But again, pause the video to do this, and then when you are ready to check your answer, go ahead and hit play. So they gave us the volume again. So our volume, kind of hard to see now, but it's 176. Our height is what's missing, and our diameter is 8. So if our diameter is 8, then our radius equals 4. So first we need to find the area of the base. So area equals pi r squared. So we have 3.14 times our radius squared, so 4 squared. So 3.14 times 16, which equals 50.24. So that's our area of our base. And now we are going to solve for our height. So we have volume equals the area of our base times our height. So our volume was 176, which equals the area of our base, so 50.24 times our height. We are going to draw a line down our equal sign, and we are multiplying by 50 and 24 hundredths, so the opposite or the inverse would be to divide on both sides. When we do that, that cancels, leaving us with h. And so we have 176 divided by 50.24, and we get this crazy number, but that's okay. It says that we're going to round our answer to the nearest tenth. So our hundredths place is a 0, which means we just keep our tenths as is. So we are going to call this answer 3.5. So our height is about 3.5 centimeters.